Adjusting your HVAC blower speed CFM on furnace and air conditioning units can totally change how comfy your home feels and how much you pay on energy bills. Okay, so if you've got a newer HVAC system with those tricky-looking dip switches on the variable speed control board, don't freak out. These switches are actually just little settings that control the blower's airflow, measured in cubic feet per minute, or CFM, which basically means how much air is moving through your vents. The key is to find the right dip switch pattern that matches what your installation manual says. Each pattern sets the blower speed to the correct airflow for your specific unit. Before you touch anything, make sure the power is off, because messing with live wires is no joke. If the airflow feels weak or your system sounds like it's working too hard, adjusting these dip switches can help balance things out. You don't want too much airflow either, because that can mess with your system's efficiency and comfort. When you change the dip switch settings, double check that the furnace or AC runs smoothly and keeps your home feeling just right. If you're not sure, it's cool to call a pro to avoid any costly mistakes. One of the biggest mistakes people make with HVAC blower speed settings is guessing on the dip switch patterns without looking at the installation manual, which can lead to improper airflow and higher energy bills. The fix here is to always match the dip switch configuration exactly to your manufacturer's guide. Another common issue is adjusting the switches while the power is still on, which can damage the control board or cause electric shocks. So always power down first. Lastly, ignoring airflow problems altogether can wear out your system faster or leave some rooms feeling too hot or cold. If you notice uneven temperatures, it might be time to check those blower speed settings or get a technician to look. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners wanting to connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about HVAC systems and other home upgrades. Plus, it helps contractors find new jobs by matching them with people who need reliable work done around their homes.